Hello everybody, my name is Bob, and we're playing Skyrim. And I have a new aspiration in life, which is to fill this bucket completely full of pickpocketed skooma. I want to fill it up with skooma. Fill it up.
I am your sword and your
Skooma.
shield.
Skooma, Lydia. Skooma. Skooma. I love skooma. I want to fill that bucket up completely up with skooma. I think I mentioned that last time there was a cool-looking scuba dealing mod that allows you to make and deal skooma. Unfortunately, you have to have Dawn Guard installed, and I don't have that. So, but that looks really cool. But if I can't deal skooma, at least I can pickpocket a lot of skooma and haul it up in my bucket and admire it and smoke my skooma. Okay.
Long life to you, Thane.
You too, Lydia. Now, I was going to rob the Blue Palace. That actually doesn't seem to be much of a challenge while thinking about it, because large amounts of the Blue Palace are just open to the public. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Windhelm. There's a number of relatively rich-looking houses there. Go and rob all them. Yeah. Go rob them. Not because I honestly needed the money, you know. I don't know what to do with the money I've got. It's just the point of the thing. You know? It's the point of the thing. You gotta teach those rich people a lesson. Argonian bloodline. Interesting. Okay, well I gotta sort through my stuff a little bit, and then we will go off to Windhelm and pickpockets and rob houses. Okay, here we are in Windhelm, ready to rob everybody blind. Hit an F5 right quick.
Never should have come here.
That woman's about to beat my ass. About to kick my ass. Okay, well it's morning time, so I gotta wait till it's dark before I start breaking into some houses. Okay, getting ready for stealing. Hello, officer. Fine night, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's a fine night. Who's that? Somebody cruelty. Let me pop back out right quick.
I try to keep Grimvar safe, but these are dangerous times.
You're a creepy woman. I didn't even know you were there. What you doing back here? Yep, these are dangerous times, full of thieves and vultures. Vultures everywhere. Everywhere. Mango, what do you want, baby? Sorry, I'm having to keep my cat in mind. The gold ring ain't worth shit. Wow, this place is bright. That's unfortunate. Oh, fuck me. I didn't even see her. What have we here? She scared the pee out of me. Scared the wet little peas out of me. Let's see. Alright, nice. Finally something decent in this place. Don't man me, I'm just busting your house. Mango, damn it, what you want, baby? Okay, well, we sort of found... Keto, what you want, Keto? Hold on. I closed the door to my room, not realizing Mango was in here with me. He doesn't like to be fenced in. Yeah, it's a good thing I've got 200 lockpicks. Okay. Fudge. Fudge. Meh. Well, I thought I found the sweet spot. Maybe not. I didn't go far enough along. Meh. Fudge. 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 I'm generally the first person to say that putting perks into lockpicking is a waste. Like throwing your perks away, but that would make life easier. I ain't saying it wouldn't make life easier in some ways. Fuck. And again, lockpicks are pretty damn cheap. Don't wake up. Stay right there. Yeah, lots of pots and pans in this place. Dude just lost his daughter, you know. But hey, what the hell? Yeah, but if he's... Might as well pile on the grief while I'm here. But, who's this?
You're not getting anything from me.
What the hell is Hajerum?
Filthy pickpocket.
Alright, well, do I have anything to help my pickpocketing here? Because apparently I'm having an issue. Oh, I got my pickpocket boots on. I got a pickpocket of 75. It shouldn't be that hard. That's all 90% steel, you know. I don't need that silver necklace. Sleepy. Steel sword, don't need that. Filthy pickpocket. Alright, well I got some first class loots going on here. I think I should be happy. Quick F5. Go ahead and give her a little pickpockety too. Ooh, nice loots. Yeah, sorry to be stealing from the bereaved, but you know, life, it kind of sucks that way, doesn't it? I mean, you lose your sister, and you know, then some creepo comes into your house and steals all your shit. That's what life's about, and the sooner you realize that, the better off you'll be. Yes. First you lose a family member, then some creep zone comes in and fills you up while you sleep and takes all your shit. Yep. Alright. Let's see, maybe we should rob the dead. Those shatter shields have a lot of money. Maybe the corpse of her sister will be similarly endowed with cash. Yeah, you know, life is for the living. Horses don't need that money. If anyone has not seen the 1924 silent film Thief of Baghdad, which probably is all of you, it's very cool, especially at the beginning. It's got this guy who's really living the sort of a medieval thug life. Um, just going around taking shit. I don't see any coffins. This is not where they put the coffins. I don't see any drag or anything either. Well, shit. Nice. Okay, time to cash in my loots. Yeah, that's all, pretty much all the rich houses, right? Just those right here. Got the shatter shields there. That lady over there. Oh, we got a few up here actually. Tom's getting to me. 4 a.m. I think we can do that. Sleep well, my darlings. Sleep well. Khajiit is here to play with your things. Khajiit is here to play with your things. Dirty, nasty Khajiit. Hopped up on scuba. Yes, there's a... Ooh, wow, they are big in the alcoholic drinks business. Dirty, nasty... Fuck, what?
Can a man have a bit of privacy? Get out of
Yep,
here!
I'm going. Oh, shit. Alright, well I don't have any bounties. Well, fudge. What's all this then? Okay. Oh, it's this place. not much in the way of loot. That's okay, I got some good loot tonight. We'll have to revisit the, Gnarl. Suppose you have any human flesh hanging around, do you? I suppose as a good citizen, I should report this to somebody at some point. Not right away though. I've got illicit goods to take care of here. Okay, I'm going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to go sell off my ill-gotten gains. And yes, I am using console codes to remove the cheat tag, but really the way they handle stolen goods is not really sensible. I mean, a plain gold ring, you know, if I take a plain gold ring from somebody in Windhelm and sell it in Whiterun, how are they going to know that was a stolen ring? Or, you know, a bottle of ale or something, you know, how are they ever going to know that was stolen? You know, I assume they have a certain amount of standardization in bottles of ale. They don't individually assign each one or whatever. So the way that they do the whole stolen goods thing, I mean, it makes sense in a certain way, but it should be if you take your stolen goods out of town. What? Somebody behind me? Aw, poor thing. If you take your stolen goods out of town, it should be possible to, I'm going to... I can't reverse pickpocket that girl. Once you take the goods out of town, it shouldn't really be stolen anymore, or it shouldn't be. No one should be able to know that it's stolen. They don't really have a whole lot of communication between the different towns, especially since you pretty much stand a good chance of getting killed just going from one town to the other. So it needs to be reworked, I think, in some future thing. But in the meantime, I just use the console to remove the stolen tag and get full price for my ill-gotten worth. Hi there. I don't want your either cheese wedge. Okay. Okay, I'm just out here looking for trouble. We may have a dragon. Well, it doesn't look all that enthusiastic, really. Are you enthusiastic? I require enthusiasm. Okay, he's enthusiastic enough. Hello, dragon. I require enthusiasm. Come on. Oh, we have a giant too. Attacking a mud crab. Damn it. Come back here. Boom. Alright, what about that giant? Bone, scales, dough. Yes. Alright, that mud crab's dead. What about Mr. Giant here? Just pass it through, Mr. Giant? Okay. Well, I'm just passing through too. Okay, we got a couple mammoths. Look like they're wanting to send a wolf into orbit. What have we here? Oh, flame atronach. Is he attached to a magic user, perhaps? Ooh, flame atronachs and giants. And magic user. It's a three-way.
You think you stand a chance? Going to enjoy killing you.
A hag. Oh, she's a brave hag too. About to go into orbit. Ooh, they're whipping up on that hag big time. Okay, I'm presuming the magic user is dead. And now it's Giant versus Flame Atronach. WWF SmackDown! Whoosh. Well, I just want there to be no other witnesses to this marvelous event that we have here witnessed. Loots. Loots. And fire salts. Alright, now I gotta find that magic user. See what goodies she may have. Yeah, just mage robes. That's cool. I'm over here to start a little quest with Isolde because I've got some already got some sleeping tree sap, which you can sell for $100, $100 a pop. I've already got 2, and I can get several more here once I find this dead guy in this cave. Giant baddos around here. Nope, looks cool. Alright, sleeping tree sap, and then we need get over here and enter this cave. There he is. Some of you may have seen me do this before. Very similar situation. Let me go ahead and muffle too. Well. And we go ahead and poison this blade. Poisons. What kinds of poisons do we have on tap for today? What happened to my good poisons? Potent poison. Yeah, but I don't want to waste that. Lingering poison? Or frostbite venom. And if this guy sees me, he's gonna smash me into a thin red smear. Nobody's here. Nothing for you to worry your pretty little giant head about. Yeah, you have a little nap right there, buddy. Loots. Whoa. Nice. Big monies. Big monies. Hey, Ulag. Isola doesn't love you, man. Seriously. You tell Isola that you're dead, and all she says is, "Oh, did you get the tree sap?" Yeah. The drug business, man. It sucks. I wonder if you could resurrect this guy. Hold on. Nah. He was always dead. Never going to be nothing but dead. Mammoth cheese. Skeever hod. I'm just digging into this just in case I get a gem out of the deal. I don't really care about the ore. This is one of the few characters I have had that... Oh, Ruby. That's what I was looking for. One of the few characters I've had that actually has no smithing at all, really. Except for, only thing I really smith is jewelry. Aside from that, I don't have any perks in smithing. I was just sort of left smithing by the wayside. Okay. Take a look at this dragon scale. That's nice, but I don't use your shield, so I'm gonna sell it. Handsome looking though. There's no chest of loots out here. I want mammoth cheese. Ooh. Mammoth cheese. Alrighty. Well, that's probably all we're gonna do for right now. Look at those dead eyes, man. And I guess until next time, hasta la vista. No, don't really harvest anymore. Oh, hello. Hi there. Don't mind me. Oh, I killed your buddy. Haha. Okay, that's all for right now. Goodbye. Look at those dead eyes, man. Look at those dead eyes. He's seen too much death and evil. Too many Daedric princes have a piece of his soul. Okay, goodbye.